What's good, YouTube?
Well, excuse us. We just got out of the hot tub, so our hair and face is a little
Yes, that's why I'm wearing a hat.
damp.
Yes, but today we're gonna be reacting to some funny cats and dogs. Because she has a lot of cats, I have a lot of dogs, so it just works out.
Pet videos are the best.
Yeah, so this is gonna be something a little brief, a little 3:45, something light.
3:45.
That's how long the video is.
Oh.
Yes, something light on a Saturday night. All right.
Oh, it is Saturday.
Yeah. All right. So let's go.
I forgot to sneeze.
Is that a pug?
Yeah, it looks like it.
So
Looks like good
right
ideas. Ew!
You know what that reminds me of?
A little bear earlier.
Yeah,
He was skipping around on the patio.
Because we have two Pomeranians, so anytime he lays a fat one, he sort of little scoots his boot.
Yeah.
So
My
that's
parents were over earlier, and he performed that for them, which is very lovely.
Yes. Is that a foot massager or something? What is that?
Maybe it's for your
What is that? Back massage or something?
Ew.
That man, they definitely drugged that man up.
Ew.
Nice.
It's like one of your magic tricks.
I know a little magic.
Oh, he
See?
did it!
See? There you go.
Aww.
Is that a girl?
I don't
What's
know.
that? I saw.
Ew! 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 Ew!
You got a friend in me.
That was gross.
So you're more of a. Is that a? Oh, that's a
Oh my
shepherd.
god! Wait, what?
He's literally lifting himself up.
It's a
The
strong
Brants.
dog.
He was before his time. He used
Yeah.
the branch to walk himself.
Yeah, there you go.
Nope.
Playing dominoes.
Aww.
You know where that song's from? It's Recess.
Oh,
Actually, never
yeah.
mind. Recess,
Oh
yeah.
my god.
That's not your cat does.
Oh my god.
That's what your cat
Oh
does.
my god. He's being a little ass.
That's what your cat does.
Dang.
He dips his little food in there.
Yeah, well,
Let-
Louis washes his hand in the water
Yeah,
bowl.
he lets it marinate, get some good flavors. You know what it looks like? The punching bag.
He was knocked out.
Yeah.
Ew!
He's squatting. He got good form. I guess he.
Why is he standing up?
That's how he uses his bathroom. He's a professional.
That's so.
He's a seasoned vet.
Wait, why is he climbing on the wall?
He's training for the Marines.
Oh my god.
You know where this is from?
Anime?
No. It's
Aww.
Oh, it's gonna kill me. It's an X-Files. Husky.
Jax.
He gets sniffed in front. You say, ooh.
Looks like Leo.
It does.
Oh, this is Tink. She likes to lay on the steps.
Yeah. Do your cats actually do that a lot, or no?
Tink always lays on the steps. She makes it inconvenient to
So-
freaking
so-
walk
so-
down.
So she's sabotaging people. She's trying to end some people's lives.
Yeah, but she's nicer now.
She's trying.
nicer now.
She's trying to snatch some souls.
Yeah, well,
Pikachu. Eyes look. Is that a Down syndrome cat?
okay, I was gonna say we were doing a video, so I was saying,
Hey,
keep that to myself.
I'm making an observation.
But yeah, it did look like a
I'm making an observation. It's gonna pop, or make some static. The static
Yeah,
shock.
I'll probably stick to something.
Nice.
Oh, the own cat. Aww.
Cats look
Actually,
a little
that's a
fat.
good idea.
That cat looks a little beefy, on the beefier side.
That's a lot.
Ooh.
Just hit its head.
And there was a.
Hey, oh my god,
that
are
was
they
embarrassing.
playing in the freaking kitty litter?
Is that cat looks like hay? Looks like a hamster. Like it looks like hay.
Those would be your dogs for your cats.
Yeah, but I don't think that's cat. That looks like.
They look like miniature cats.
I was done.
That was it. That was so quick.
Something short and brief.
Alright,
Something
well-
short and brief.
Thanks for watching.
Yes, thank you guys for watching. Like I said, like I always say, or what we always say.
Always. Always say. It's the second or third video, but always.
Well, it is going to be always. It's going to start a trend. So whatever you guys want us to watch, let us know. Like, comment, subscribe. Throw them in the comments. Thanks again.